Samsung will introduce its new flagships, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus tomorrow, and the two phones have just leaked in a number of real-life images. The company will announce these two phones during its event in Barcelona, as part of the Mobile World Congress, MWC, 2018. The two devices had leaked a number of times thus far, but these new images are amongst the sharpest we've seen thus far. If you take a look, you will not only be able to see both the front and back sides of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, but also several colors of the two phones, and even some icons for the company's new apps/features. These images once again confirm that the Galaxy S9 will sport a single camera on the back, while the Galaxy S9 Plus will ship with two snappers on its back. Both phones will be made out of metal, and sport a rear-facing fingerprint scanner. Samsung's branding is also included on the back, while these images also give you a good look at physical keys on both smartphones. On the right-hand side of both the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus sits a power/lock key, while the volume up, volume down and Bixby buttons are located on the left. The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus both sport curved backs, while the front side is also curved, and both will ship with curved displays as well. One of the images down below shows off the AR emoji icon, and also the super slow motion icons. AR emojis will almost certainly be included in the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, and will be similar to the ones that Apple announced with the iPhone X, quite probably. Samsung already teased those emojis in a recent video teaser, so it's a GIF. The super slow motion icon probably has something to do with the camera. The name of this icon is quite revealing. App drawers of both the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are pictured in one of the images as well, along with Samsung's Experience UI 9.0.
Means the AR technology is literally open and ready for business. So apps can be developed and customized as your people need them. Apps themselves can be paired quickly and easily together, giving you convenient shortcuts. And since the Galaxy S9 is water resistant, it keeps on working come rain or come shine. Built from the chip up with multiple layers of security, Samsung Knox is our defense-grade security platform. With enhanced biometrics, Intelligent Scan instantly recognizes you, letting you unlock your phone with just a glance or a touch. And the Galaxy S9 wisely separates business data from personal data, so you're protected even if your phone should ever fall into the wrong hands. Enterprise Edition is the comprehensive package that completes the phone designed for business today. Easy to customize and configure, it's a cinch to integrate and manage 24/7 with all your other existing devices. Firmware over the air lets your IT people control all updates remotely, keeping phones secure and productive no matter where they might be. Enterprise Edition also includes maintenance support, extended warranties, product guarantees, and security updates for up to 4 years. The workforce of today is more mobile than ever before. That's why it's time for a new kind of mobile phone. A phone engineered with advanced features, so now the perfect phone for you is the perfect phone for business. The Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The phone reimagined.